In this video, I'll show you how to speed up your Android mobile device. If you find this video useful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into it. Alright guys, open up your settings app on your phone, and what you want to do is scroll all the way down and click onto About Phone. And then from here, you want to scroll down and click on Software Information. And then scroll down a bit and click onto where it says build number. You need to enable developer mode on your mobile device. To do that, we've got to click on build number about 5 times. There you go now, and then put in your PIN to continue. And there, as you can see, developer mode has been enabled. So now head back to settings. And at the bottom here, you can see developer options. So go ahead and click into that. And then from here, you want to scroll down and look for a section called drawing. It'll be kind of near the middle bottom of the page here. So I'll keep scrolling down. Got media, apps, gone too far. All right, here it is here. So we've got drawing. So under drawing, where it says window animation scale, at the moment it is automatically set to 1 times. And the transition animation scale is set to 1 times. So to speed up your phone, click on window animation and set it to 0.5x, which means it will double your speed. So click on 0.5x, and the same for transition animation scale. Click on the 0.5x, which will double your speed of your phone.